Promoting your proofreading portfolio through networking. Hello, learners. Today, we are diving deep into an exciting topic that can significantly impact your professional journey in proofreading and editing: promoting your portfolio through networking. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to expand your clientele, learning to network effectively can open doors and opportunities you never imagined. Networking isn't just about handing out business cards. It's about building genuine relationships with professionals in and around your industry. When done right, these connections can lead to 1. New clients. 2. Collaborative opportunities. 3. Recommendations. 4. Mentorship. 5. Continuous learning from peers. Remember, networking is a two-way street. While you aim to benefit from it, also think about how you can add value to others. To effectively promote your portfolio. 1. Join professional organizations. Engage in groups dedicated to writers, editors, and proofreaders. They often hold conferences, workshops, and webinars where you can meet industry peers. 2. Attend workshops and seminars. These can be both in person or virtual. Interact, ask questions, and show genuine interest in others' work. 3. Engage in online communities. Websites and forums dedicated to writing and editing can be gold mines for networking. 4. Local community events. Sometimes, local events can have sessions dedicated to writers and proofreaders. They offer an excellent opportunity for face-to-face interactions. Tip: always have a brief and effective introduction ready. This should cover who you are, what you do, and what makes your proofreading, editing skills unique. Your portfolio is a reflection of your skills and expertise. Here's how to seamlessly introduce it in networking conversations. 1. Offer to help. If someone mentions a problem they're facing related to writing, editing, kindly offer to show them a similar work you've done. This way, you introduce your portfolio without seeming pushy. 2. Ask for feedback. Frame it as a learning opportunity. You can say, "I've worked on a similar project recently. Would you mind taking a look and giving me some feedback?" 3. Share stories. Relate an experience or challenge you faced while working on a piece in your portfolio. Remember, your aim is to show your expertise and how you can solve problems, not to brag. Promoting your portfolio through networking is a journey, not a destination. The more genuine relationships you build, the more your career will flourish. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and strategies of networking for proofreaders and editors. Keep building, keep networking, and always be ready to learn and grow.